Saiasmi Gupta, and today we are gonna learn how to build an HCF and an LCM calculator. So without any delay, let's get started. Dab! And don't forget to like, share and comment down below if you like my video, alright? So let's now get started. One second. You're already green. Okay, so here is my Google Chrome, and guys, this is a 103 line code. Can you see that? Such a biggie. We are gonna have so much fun. Okay, so shall we get started? I can't hear you. A bit louder. Great. So now let's go. So we are creating 6 variables. Okay. First prime, second prime 1, second prime, third prime factors, fourth prime factors 1, fifth prime factors all, and sixth prime factors 1 all, and they all are empty lists. I don't know why whenever I start a video now, I always get thirsty. That's so much better. Okay. So now we are making a variable num, and this is an input variable in which we are taking an input from user, and then we are making another variable num1 in which we are taking another input from the user. Alright. So now, because you remember, I've already made a prime factors video. So in that we have done a lot of this. So I will be just telling you what this function and what this for loop does, and I will not go deep inside it. Alright. And if you want to learn it deeply, if you have not seen my video and you're a new a new subscriber, then you can first watch my prime factors video, then you can see this HCF video. Okay, so this is the function which we are making, from which this in this function it will check if a number is a prime number or not. Okay, now in this for loop will find the prime numbers. It will find all the prime numbers till the user input. The first input, the number which the user gives. As you can see, I look at the console, like I've done it gray. I've highlighted it, right? So the first time when the user input that till that number, we will get all the prime numbers. Okay, so first I had given 12, so as you can see, I'm getting all the prime numbers up till 12. Okay, which is 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11, right? Now so now this function, this for loop one does another thing also. First, that it calls this check prime function. Second, that it assigns a parameter's value, and third, that it gets all the prime numbers till the user input number, and it saves all those prime numbers in this prime list. Alright, where was I? I can't. Yeah, and then we print all those prime numbers, as you can see. Alright, quickly. Next, we are doing. Now we are making another for loop. Now this for loop, what it does, it finds all the prime factors. This prime numbers list. The prime numbers list. And now it finds all the factors from that. All the prime factors from this. Wait, I'll show you. Look, this is the prime numbers list, right? So now what the next for loop will do, it will find all the prime factors in this prime list. These are all prime numbers, right? Now it will find all the prime factors of 12, which is 2 and 3, and 2 and 3 is coming as well, right? Now we are doing, after we print all the prime factors, we are making another for loop in which we are finding all the prime factors. Okay, so actually I will make you understand this part, because I had only tell the prime factors and I didn't tell you about how to find out all the prime factors. So I'll tell you this, that so we are making a for loop. We are making a for loop for C in prime factors. All the prime factors in which this prime factors in this list is all our prime factors, right? So it's saying that C is in this prime factors list, and while num, the number which the user input, remainder C divide by C divide by C, which divide by C is equals to 0 if the remainder is equals to 0. As you can see, we have input 12 and the first prime factor is 2, right? So it's saying if 12, basically if 12 divide by 2 and the remainder is equals to 0, then it will append that number in the prime factors all list, right? And now num, the input one, this input num's value was taking input right from the user, and now we have changed num's value of the number which we are gonna divide by C. Okay, so num's value we have changed. Okay, and then we have printed all the prime factors, as you can see. So all the prime factors are printed, because first when we were printing prime factors, we were only getting 2 and 3, and 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, but we want 12, right? So and 2 times, if we see all the prime factors of 12, then 2 times 2 comes, right? So 2 into 2, 4 into 3 is 12. Now it is correct. Okay, now we do the same thing with the second number which the user inputs. First we get all the prime numbers till the user input, then we get all the prime factors. We get prime factors, and then we get all the prime factors. Okay, now is the main part is coming, guys. So this is the part where we are gonna learn how to get all the prime, HCF and LCM and all that, right? So first, this water is so much addicting, because in winters I don't know why we get a lot thirsty. And guys, no, I'll tell you that in the end. So we are making now a common factors variable, which value is an empty list, right? One second. Okay, so now we are doing for x in range 0. Okay, so we are now first let's see these for loops will find the common factors of these two numbers, right? Both the user numbers, the numbers which user has entered. Okay, so let's see how. So for x in range 0, so we are making a range. So it starts from 0 and length prime factors all, and until the length of the prime factors all of the num1, the first number which the user inputs, that's prime factors. So the range will start from 0 till that prime factors all length. So let's see. So prime factors all length is 3, right? So so basically we are making a list which has which is 0, 1, 2, right? Now we are doing same for y in range 0, length prime factors 1 all. So now we are doing now a range is, we are making a range which will start from 0 and it will and its length and the range shall end till the length of the prime factors 1 all. So prime factors all's value is 2, right? So we get 0 and 1 because we are right, because another list is made, and because prime factors, the second number's prime factors all's length is 2, so we get a list 0 and 1, right? Now we move you guys, it's kind of, yeah. Now we are doing if prime factors all x, that this prime factors all, this prime you see in that black place I've highlighted the thing in gray, that prime factors all first value, which is 2, if that is equals to prime factors 1 all y, if it is the same number of of the second number which the user has given us, then it shall go inside the if statement and it should append that number inside the common factors list, right? Now when that is done, we do prime factors 1 all y is equals to empty string. So from this, the number which is common in both the common number which was in both the prime factors all is saved in the common factors list, and we have converted it into an empty string, right? And then the same we converted for the second number as well, right? So as you can see, the common number was 3, and that 3 has been converted into a string, an empty string, because that 3 is already saved in the common common factors list, right? Now we first print the prime factors all. As you can I printed that to show you that this is the empty string that it has converted 3, and once again we will then print prime factors 1 all. Why I wanted to show you, because it is a new value, right? The value has changed of prime factors all, right? And then lastly we print the common factor, which is 3, right? As you can see. Now is the main part, guys. Finding out the HCF and the LCM. So HCF is equals to 1. So we are making a variable HCF and assigning its value 1. Okay, so it's saying this for loop will calculate the HCF. Let's see how. So for x in common factors, okay, so x in common factors, so common factors value is 3. So then HCF 1 multiply by multiply equals to x. So it has 3 multiplied by 1 is equals to 3. So 3 is the new value of HCF, and it has printed the HCF, right? And if they were two common numbers, then first it would, like, for example, if in common factors there was 3 and 2, so first it would multiply 1 multiplied by 3, and now 3, then it would multiply 3 multiplied by the second number, and that would be apparently the HCF, and it would have printed it, right? Now, as we know that HCF and LCM are very different things, because in LCM we multiply the common factors, but also we multiply all the remaining numbers. Okay. So now when we have got our HCF, right? So it's saying this for loop will add the remaining factors to the common factors list, right? So let's see how. For x in prime factors all, okay, so x is in prime factors all. It's talking about the first number. This, as you can see, I have highlighted it and it's in gray, right, in that black screen. So if x not equals to this, you sing empty string, right? So this statement, if statement is true, right? So it goes inside the if statement and it sees common factors dot append x, and now 2 has been appended in the common factors list because 3 was already there, and now it has also appended 2, right? Now once again the for loop will run, and once again, as you can see, this if statement is correct because there is not an empty string, right? So once again the other 2 is also added inside this common factors list, right? But now it finds the empty string, so it does not go inside the if statement, right? Then we find it sees the for x in prime factors 1 all, and it will do the same like so first it finds a empty string, as you can see here, so it does not go inside the if statement, and the second time when the for loop runs, it does not find an empty string, so then it would add this 5 also inside the common factors list. So now we have 3, 2, 2 and 5, right? And then we print the common factors list. Lastly, we do the same. We do LCM is equals to 1, and then we multiply the all the common factors in we multiply all the numbers, right? As we did in the HCF, we multiplied all the number and then we have printed the LCM and we have got 60. So this was the HCF calculator, guys. See, so we have also got the HCF and the LCM of 12 and 15. The HCF is 3 and the LCM is 60, and this is correct, right? And this was it. Wasn't it fun, guys? I really liked it a lot. And yeah, I really hope you liked the video, guys. And the surprise was that as you remember, I said in my video that I will make a video with my 100th subscriber, right? And that was Twitter, as you know. So I will be soon with I will be making soonly a video with her, and stay on. And guys, you will still have an opportunity on my 200 subscribers, so subscribe me right now. Bye guys.